And then here we are going to look at some example of different services available in the market. For example, in order to get pure IaaS, we can get or we can look for service such as the AWS EC2, which is a IaaS service from the Amazon. AWS Elastic Compute Cloud, or we can get a pure IaaS from Google, in which this IaaS, pure IaaS service name is called Google Compute Engine. And if you want to get a pure IaaS from Microsoft Azure, you can look for the service name Microsoft Azure Virtual Machine. All right. With such services offered by the cloud service provider, you as a business, you can simply build everything from the OS up. Means you can even decide what kind of OS to be installed in the VM that you get from the IaaS service provider. And then here is an example of PaaS. The example of PaaS service that I would like to give here is based on an example from Bluehost. Okay, a Bluehost. Or actually, you can get it also from Hostinger. But the example that we see here is this example of PaaS is offered by Bluehost. Okay, so in this, as we can see here, this diagram is actually an e-commerce website. All right, or you can call it as e-shop, whereby I use this Bluehost in order to upload my WordPress core files. Okay, my WordPress plugin. I migrate it from my local computer, my local host, to Bluehost. Okay, and this Bluehost is my website hosting site. And I use this Bluehost as a PaaS because it allowed me to install my application, and I can and after I migrate my WordPress plugin and the core files into the Bluehost, I can manage all my apps through the cPanel or control panel provided through this Bluehost to do a lot of related e-commerce website setting. Okay, and I also use this Bluehost in order to manage my data. All right, the data for all the products that I sell on this e-commerce website. And also through the Bluehost, beside, I can manage my e-commerce app, okay, web app through its cPanel. Bluehost also allowed me to create and to manage the database for my data, for my product that I sell here. All right, so what about, we have a look here. Okay, in this website, I use the Bluehost to host my, and also we can say to deploy my web app. And I also use the Bluehost in order to manage my as an interface, okay, as a customized dashboard in order to allow me to manage my data. Okay, so let us have a look at this e-commerce website. So in this e-commerce website, you can see that it is selling various decoupage products. And in this e-commerce website, it has categorized the product into several categories. And they are inner bag, rectangle bag, round bag, and service. And this WordPress plugin also allowed me to display my product not only based on specific categories, it also uh, allowed me to manage my product based on the latest product, based on, for example, feature products, and then also allowed me to categorize my product based on best-selling product, as you can see here. And then also display my product that's on sales. And then here, what about we go inside one of the category called in the back, and we see what are the product, what is the description of this product. And then we can also see under this product category, what are the different variants of this product category. And on the left-hand panel, we can see the product that's on sales, okay, under this category. And for any product you are interested in, okay, or customer is interested in, customer can simply click on it. Okay, so you will see this product in detail. You can magnify the product by hover the mouse over it. You can see the product clearly. And then it will be here. You have a further description of this particular product, and then related product. Okay, under this category, you can simply have a look. If you are interested, you can add. You want to buy it, you can add to cart. Right, and for this bag, okay, in the bag balloon, you can see there's a discount for it, and you find that there's nothing wrong, and you like it very much, and of course you can add to cart. Okay, for purchase, so you can view your cart if you have finished purchasing. Otherwise, you can continue shopping. Or you can move on to other categories, for example, round bag. Okay, you will see, okay, the product that's on sale under this category. And you can see other categories of product too. For example, rectangle bag, we'll see some descriptions. All right, and then you see the on sales product under this category and the product that you have viewed recently under here. Okay, if there's any product that you are interested in, for example, this squirrel bag, you are interested, maybe you can add to cart, right? And then you can browse through other service, other category of product, okay, which is a service product. Okay, if nothing is of interest to you, you can move on, right? And then you can finally you can click on the shopping cart if you want to check out. So in this shopping cart, you can see the product that you have the intention to purchase, right? And then you can double check if this is the product that you want to buy. Otherwise, you can remove it, right? If there's no problem, you can go on and then make the payment, right? Check the quantity, the price. All right, and then you proceed to checkout. Well, basically from here, we can see that through this website, Bluehost, okay, which provide me the PaaS service, it allowed me to manage my app. All right, my app's interface UI, manage my app database, even managing various type of plugin, and then installing various related security service in my website, and it allowed me to manage my product data. All right. So PaaS allowed me to manage my application and also allowed me to manage the data that I use in this application. All right. And then we move on to another extreme, which is a pure SaaS. Okay. Actually, pure SaaS to us is something that we are very familiar with. Okay. It's very familiar to us because it's very easy to use, just like our Google Workspace. We use Google Drive, Google Doc, Google Sheet, right? Okay. This kind of service is being provided to us by the vendor or by the service provider. Like it does not exist because we use it for granted. All right, we just use it because does not require any technical or too much technical skills, right? Because they are the finished product. And then we have a so-called modern SaaS, whereby this service, we can use it, for example, to allow us, all right, to upload some of our product, all right, to the site, okay, such as Shopify or Wix or the Shopee, whereby we use Shopify or Shopee as a SaaS because we do almost no technical activity on it. We just simply, or actually we can easily upload the product that we want to sell by simply configuring, all right, the pre-configured e-store or the e-commerce site available online. All right, and we call it as modern SaaS instead of pure SaaS. It's because this modern SaaS allow us to do some kind of simple configuration. Okay, in short, we can still do some configuration while using this SaaS. But for the very pure, okay, native SaaS, we just use it as is. All right.